In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a continuous loop graphic in PowerPoint in just 5 minutes. This video will guide you through setting up this dynamic visual in a way that's both engaging and clear, ensuring your presentations stand out with professional, polished graphics. To begin, let's open PowerPoint for the web. You can access this by heading to the Microsoft PowerPoint website, where you can edit presentations for free. Once you arrive at the site, you'll need to sign in. Look for the sign in button, usually located at the top right corner of the page. If you don't have an account yet, it's quick and easy to create one. After successfully signing in, you'll be directed to the PowerPoint home interface. From here, the next step is to open an existing presentation. You can do this by clicking on any current presentation available in your account. If you don't have any presentations yet, you might want to create a new one by selecting New Blank Presentation or choosing from some of the ready-made templates PowerPoint offers. For this tutorial, any existing presentation will do. Now that you have your presentation open, it's time to insert the Smart Art graphics. Find the Insert tab in the menu ribbon and click on Smart Art. Smart Art is a robust tool that helps you visually communicate your information with a variety of diagram styles. When the Smart Art gallery opens, take a moment to browse the different types of graphics available. Since we're focusing on creating a continuous loop, your choice will be the Cycle category. The cycle graphics are designed to show processes that are ongoing, making them perfect for creating loops. Go through the selections and choose any of the cycle diagrams that best suits the theme and style of your presentation. A popular choice is the basic cycle, which cleanly displays sequential steps in a loop format. Once you've selected a cycle diagram, click to insert it into your slide. From here you can start customizing your graphic. Click on individual elements to add your text, and make sure to adjust the size and colors to match your particular presentation's design palette. Remember, you have access to design tools and the format options to refine your graphic further. Adjusting elements like colors and shapes can significantly enhance your presentation's visual flow. Play around with these details until your loop graphic perfectly complements your slide's content. And there you have it. In just a few simple steps, you've learned how to create a continuous loop graphic in PowerPoint. Using Smart Art to its full potential can transform a standard slide into a powerful storytelling tool. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial makes your next presentation vivid and memorable.